Ganesh Chaturthi, the festival of Lord Ganesh. Lord Ganesh is a very popular god and one of the most worshipped. Hindu tradition states that Lord Ganesh is a god of wisdom, success, and good luck. He is also giver of different types of favors. The Hindu tradition calls Lord Ganesh as the Vigneshwar. Vigneshwar in Sanskrit language means one who was a lord of obstacles or difficulties. Thus, the Hindu tradition states that by worshipping Lord Ganesh, one can remove all obstacles and difficulties. Lord Ganesh is the ever blissful elephant headed god who is lovingly worshipped and admired by millions of people in whole world. The son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati, Sri Ganesh is the god of good luck and auspiciousness and is the dispeller of problems and obstacles. He is also worshipped as the god of wisdom, wealth, health, fertility, and happiness. In the Panchayatan Puja, Lord Ganesh is glorified as one of the five prime Hindu deities Brahma, Vishnu, Shiv, Shakti, and Ganesh, whose worship confers immortality and liberation. His form, intellect, divinity, and strength are glorified in the Ganesh Puran. He is Lord Ganesh or Ganpati, who is a lord of masses that worship him for his blessings. He is the first Vedic deity worshipped first at the altar before other deities, at a ritual or a venture. He is a ruling deity of the Muladhara Chakra, that is root chakra, and blesses his devotees with wisdom and ability to face challenges and obstacles in life. He has a pot belly signifying contentment and fullness. He holds a fragrant modak in his left hand, signifying the bliss of satisfaction that he provides. His vehicle, the mouse, signifies that one needs to curb vices, signified by mice, to achieve his state. The mouse signifies an object that leads man from darkness to light. The Ganpati principle thus means that which removes all the bad qualities, practices, and thoughts in men and instill good qualities, good conduct, and good thoughts. One of the major festivals of our tradition and culture is Ganesh Chaturthi, which is celebrated mostly by the Hindu people. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on the fourth day of the waxing moon period, means Shukla Chaturthi, in the Hindu month of Bhadrapad. In general, people bring an idol of Lord Ganesh to their home and worship for 11 days, sometimes 10 days, with the biggest spectacle taking place on the last day called Ananta Chaturdashi. This festival is for 11 days and you can keep Lord Ganesh as per your beliefs and facilities. You can keep Lord Ganesh for 1.5 day, 5 days, 7 days, 10 or 11 days. This festival is celebrated for 10 days because it is believed that Lord Ganesh comes in your house to take away all the negativity. People bring Lord Ganesh idols with great excitement and celebration and perform puja before installing him in their homes. Throughout 10 days, people do puja, arti means prayer, regularly twice a day. They offer Lord Ganesh's favorite modak, motichur laddu, sweets, durva means grass, and hibiscus flower. During the 10 days of Ganpati festival, many communities in India perform Gauri Puja. In many regional cultures, goddess Gauri is considered to be Lord Ganesh's sisters, Jeshtha and Kanishtha, who have come looking for him. Two idols of goddess Gauri are brought home and worshipped by people with elaborate rituals. Some people also believe goddess Gauri to be a form of goddess Parvati, Lord Ganesh's mother. In some regions, these two sisters are believed to be goddess Saraswati and goddess Lakshmi, who are the daughters of goddess Durga. Gauri Puja is done to welcome wealth and prosperity into the home. The rituals are conducted over 3 days, starting from the 3rd or 5th day as per traditions followed by various communities. The first day is called Gauri Avahan, where the goddess is invited into the home. Second day is when the actual puja takes place, and on the third day, the idol is immersed in process called Gauri Visarjan. When the idols arrive, the women of the house perform aarti and welcome the goddess. The idols are set up on a decorated pandal. In many homes, goddess Gauri's feet are drawn on the floor from the entrance of the house till the altar. The idols are decorated with new clothes and ornaments, especially ones worn by married women like Mangal Sutra and toe rings. And the altar is decorated with mango leaves and flowers. The women of the house also dress up in a green sari, just like the goddess, as green symbolizes harvest and fertility. During the Visarjan, the ceremonial send-off, the idol is offered vermilion and turmeric, a piece of cloth, money, betel leaves and nuts. These are also given to other married women. After this, the idol is taken to a water body and immersed, concluding the 3-day festival. This is known as Gauri Ganpati festival. In 1893, the Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak praised the celebration of Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav in his newspaper Kesari and dedicated his efforts to launch the annual domestic festival into a large, well-organized public event. Wishing all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Lord Ganesh showers you lots of love and blessings. Ganpati Bappa Moria.